I'm feeling really creative. So let's add some more to our candy cane and beautiful heart. What have we added? A swan. And I made this in the last balloon twisting series. I'll just show you one more time how to add it to the heart. We've just left a little bit in the nozzle there to make the beak. Then I'm going to go to the far end of the balloon, where the knot is, and make a small bubble. Then I'm going to wrap the balloon around the heart, making a beak shape, and twisting it around, and wrap it into the beak a couple of times. Twisting it under, just to secure it. Then I'm going to fold into like a figure of 8 shape, just like we did with the basic swan. Now, we're going to need this little bubble out of the way because I need to just wrap that underneath. Just going to push up from underneath and up. And just tuck the little beak in there like that. Now we need to make the shape of the swan's beak. And we did this in the other series. We're just rolling the beak, putting a little pressure on. You can see what I'm doing there. A little heat, a little bit of pressure, and squeeze. That's making the basic shape of the little beak. Make your adjustments. Sit it in place. Now you've got 2 little pretty swans next to each other. Our final bit of decoration is a 6-inch ruby red heart. All I do is take the knot, come round the back, and slip it into this little gap here. Take the knot and just wrap it into place. Go under once, straighten everything up. Just slip the heart into the middle. And there we have 2 loving swans on a candy cane in a beautiful heart.